Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Nintendo Switch on an Xbox. This method does not mean playing Switch games on the Xbox itself, but rather using your Xbox console as a convenient display for your Nintendo Switch. It is a fantastic way to consolidate your gaming setup, especially if you have only one available display. You will essentially be routing the Switch's video output through your Xbox, allowing you to switch between consoles with ease. To get started, you will need a few essential items for this integration. First, grab the high-definition multimedia interface cable that came with your Nintendo Switch or any standard high-definition multimedia interface cable. Crucially, you will also need a reliable video capture card, as this device acts as the bridge between your two consoles. Finally, ensure your Nintendo Switch dock has its power supply connected and is ready to transmit video. Let's connect everything. Take the high-definition multimedia interface cable from your Nintendo Switch dock and plug it into the input port of your video capture card. Next, use a second high-definition multimedia interface cable to connect the output port of your capture card to the high-definition multimedia interface in port on the back of your Xbox console. Double-check that all power cables for both devices are firmly in place before proceeding. With everything connected, it is time to see your Switch gameplay on your television, using your Xbox as the pass-through. Power on both your Xbox and your Nintendo Switch. On your Xbox dashboard, navigate to the TV and One Guide section, which manages external high-definition multimedia interface inputs. Select the high-definition multimedia interface in option there. You should now see your Nintendo Switch display, ready for you to enjoy your games directly through your Xbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.